Welcome to this breakout room. My name is Ove Bayard. I'm together with my colleagues Sayed Shoaib Ul Hassan and Faraz Asif, coordinating the master's program called Production Engineering and Management. I'm also a course responsible for and teaching in a couple of courses within the program. So in our program, we educate engineers to make them managers. We mainly make managers for manufacturing industries, but our students are suitable for many other industries. We educate students with different engineering education backgrounds, for example, computer, electrical, chemical engineers, etc., who wish to establish career in manufacturing or process industries relevant to their respective areas. Courses in the program focus on both production technology and production management. This is why our program is called Production Engineering and Management. So some facts about the program, some historical facts about the program. So the program was established in 2005, and it was then only for international students. And in 2011, we made one unified education program for both Swedish and international students. And at the bottom of this slide, you can see some statistics. From last year, you see we had 505 applicants, and we admitted 63 international students this autumn. So the students in the program, they are Swedish master 5 years program students, students from international 2 years master's program, mainly students from Europe, students from other continents, and also students from other Swedish universities. We have around 15 nationalities, and around 20% of our students are female. So within the program, we have 3 profiles. And these profiles were nothing but a set of mandatory and recommended elective courses. So we have a profile called Industrial IT Systems, one is called Production Engineering and Management, and one is called Industrial Welding. And this Industrial Welding profile is offered only in Swedish. It's you get become international welding engineer, so therefore it's only given in the national language. So the title of your degree, when you're finished the master program, is 5 years program. You get a degree program in mechanical engineering, and for the 2 years program, you get a degree in Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Within the program, we have around 45 credits for compulsory courses. The recommended courses are 144 ECTS, and the master thesis is 30 ECTS. And the master thesis can either be done in industry or with research groups within the department. So here you can see mandatory courses in the program for year 1. We have a course in production engineering, planning and control. We have a course in circular manufacturing systems, and we have a CAD course. We have a course in modeling and simulation of industrial processes, and a course in scientific methodology for production engineers. During the second year, we have a project course in production engineering and also this master thesis course. And the profiles you can see below, once again, industrial IT systems, production engineering and manufacturing, industrial welding. And for each profile, there are recommended courses. And here are some of the recommended courses. As you can see, this is quite broad, from manufacturing, automation, quality, industrial process engineering, and also maintenance technique. We also have courses in logistics, advanced manufacturing technology, advanced metrology. Also this course is called digital factories, and also in additive manufacturing. So specific admission requirements for the 2-year program: you need to have a Bachelor of Science in Engineering or a technical bachelor degree corresponding to 180 ECTS credits in mechanical engineering or equivalent. And the selection process is based on grades, reputation of the university, letter of recommendation, and relevant work experience. During the program, we have arranged, we try to make it everyone get to know each other. So we arrange social events with the students, and here are some pictures from different events. For instance, this can be events in the outside, it can be events, barbecue, it can be other social events. If we look on the industrial relevance, the courses are designed considering state-of-the-art industrial applications and practices. We have examples from state-of-the-art applications and practices that are used for education. We have guest speakers from industries provide lectures. Students work with industries in small projects. We also have short visits in industries as part of a coursework. And students conduct their thesis in industries or with research projects that involves industries. So we can say, if we talk about the employability within the program, 100% of international students get employed within a year, and it can be in manufacturing and service industry or at universities, and they are employed as managers, engineers, or researchers. And on this slide, you see typical companies that we can, it's for instance, Sandvik, Atlas Copco, Ericsson, ABB. It can also be other universities in Sweden, Chalmers. It can be companies as Volvo, Coca-Cola, SKF, and Siemens. So the research areas within the department are manufacturing and metrology systems, industrial production systems, and production management and logistics. And for the first area, you can see that we work circular manufacturing system, precision engineering and metrology, manufacturing machines and processes. Second area, focus on human robot systems, enablers of advanced production. And for the third area, focusing on production management and strategic maintenance, production logistics. And you can read more on this link that is in this presentation. If you want further information, please contact us. Here you have the information. Thank you very much for